What's going on, everyone? My name is Watzreal. Welcome to another episode of What's So Hot. We go around the area trying to find some of the spiciest food here in the Bay. Today we're at Everett and Jones here in Oakland, California. Welcome by a very special guest, Tayf3rd, rising Long Beach star, big boy music. About to get into this barbecue. Let's see what we got. What's special about Long Beach though? Like, what's different about that city?
We got like a bunch of like people out there that are different races. It's sort of like the Bay. Like we got Cambodians, we got Crippin, we got like Indians, Arabs, everybody. Like we got the whole the town is just like
a whole melting pot.
Yeah, it's a melting pot. So it reminds me definitely.
Have you been to the Bay a lot?
Nah. No? My second time.
Second time? Who was your first time?
My first time I came to E40.
E40?
I was on the layover. Okay. I only came for like 8 hours and I left.
You doing the show or you?
Nah, we just came to record. I never like got to see the city. I'm not gonna be going to explore this shit. Well, I look at Long Beach as a big ass sandbox. Like, that's the place, man. Oh my god, it's lit. Oh, it's lit. I look at Long Beach as like it's like a big ass playpen. Like everybody will be at.
Here, guys.
Thank you very much.
Napkins. I bring more napkins, okay, baby?
Okay, thank you.
But it's like as you was growing up, you would call it like literally a sandbox. It's like it's just a big ass beach. I had the hottest hot sauce in the world. The hottest one.
What's it called?
I don't even know. It was black though.
Where'd you get it from? You know that?
It was some shop on like 8. Awesome.
It was awesome?
Yeah. You had to do it with a toothpick.
Oh, you had to like dip it in?
Yeah, it was
like
like
thick.
My dumb ass want to double dip. You know, the first minute you don't feel it.
Yeah, you don't.
It's like nothing. I did it again. 10 minutes later.
It takes a while to kick in all the way.
Literally 10 minutes later, I'm crying with ice cream. You know? Like I'm crying with a whole thing of ice cream. Like I'm literally with tears in my face. I'm like, oh my god, everybody's walking. What's wrong? Hot sauce, like the hot sauce. It was really hot.
A little different.
You know, the warning is the toothpick. That's how I learned.
That's what you know.
If it's a toothpick, don't do it. Do not do it.
Don't do it.
If you only have to take a toothpick to eat the hot sauce, do not do it. You gonna regret it. Like bro, I feel like my kidney was just like shrinking like in my body. Bro, I swear to God, nobody's in my house. There's nobody in my house. I'm laying on the ground praying to God, like rolling around. Please God, like imagine how that look when you're by yourself. Like it would look good with somebody else there.
Right.
Like they praying for you. I'm by myself. I'm on the ground like, please God, like
Rolling in the cast.
I'm ready for it. This bury me right there. Oh my God. I think you 21? You about to turn 21. He's 22. He's 21 too. It's like these are young. But for me, I'm 28. Like damn, I'm a grown ass man. But
I'm 29, man. I feel you.
it's like, oh shit, like you can still be inspired. I would never think I would be inspired with my little brother, but yeah, they running the radio right now. Like, it's hot. Are you sweating too?
I'm sweating. I also got a beanie on, so that might be a little bit.
You looking like me when I got the car up.
So you doing the show, Snoop Dogg, you know, Gang, all the big stars.
All the OG West Coast legends.
If you had to add one more person to that lineup,
DJ Quick.
DJ Quick.
Off the jump.
Okay, Quick with that.
Off the jump, DJ Quick.
Yeah.
That's my brother. That's one of my mentors. Like I low key talk to him like at least once every 2 weeks. I'm not gonna be the stupid nigga say like once a week.
Yeah.
Sure, like once every 2 weeks or so, but like I think DJ Quick would like he just bring that funk, bring that value like that.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, man. Appreciate that. I'll ask you. I think Pick the Snick is being stepped on as a legend.
Yeah, he hasn't like. I feel like he hasn't had the same clout as he used to have.
You know what it really is? That's because when you stay alive for a long time, they start ignoring you. way you speak, everything that you do, it happens according to it. But Keep the Sneak, like he needed that. But it's fucked up that we don't, well, people don't respect him like that. Because Keep the Sneak made the Jerky movie in LA. Like he's inspiration for the whole thing. I think Keep the Sneak is the inspiration for a lot of LA music, but a lot of people don't say it. So y'all said that was hot. That shit ain't hot.
You ain't finished. You ain't finished your chicken and sauce. Keep kind of pussyfooting around here. Taking a little dive into it. Dive into it. All right, cool, man. Well, it's good to get to know you.
Oh, man, it's love.
Last minute, you know, I just want to give you a hot minute to do any last minute shout outs.
Oh, man, I want to shout out to you first. Just for having us, man. You know, you gave us a whole meal. You know, I've been out here for probably like 2 hours, and you was the sponsor of our first meal, so big shout out to you. But now I want to say shout out to, you know, the Juice City Records. Big shout out to the Juice City Records. Big shout out to Big Boy. You know, he sponsored us, Big Boy Music. Shout out to my little brothers, Aries, YCGF, local there. Shout out to Rome. Shout out to Elisha Banks. You know, shout out to the Juice City boys, the BBM boys, the BBM guys. And shout out to the Bay. We about to make our new home. Yeah.
I be busy getting high, cause I be feeling so low inside. Tinted windows of my life, ain't nobody else see inside. I be busy getting high, tinted windows of my life. Look.